Hey everyone, it's great to be here today to talk about one of my favorite topics, the best foods to reverse kidney disease. As someone who has personally experienced the challenges of kidney disease, I know how important it is to take control of your health through healthy lifestyle choices, including a nutrient-dense diet. In this video, I'll be sharing the foods that have been proven to be most effective in reversing kidney disease and offering up some delicious and easy meal ideas that incorporate these ingredients. First off, let's talk about the best foods for overall kidney health. These include high-quality protein sources like fish, poultry, and eggs, as well as plenty of fresh fruits and vegetables. But when it comes to specifically reversing kidney disease, there are a few standout foods that really pack a punch. First up is garlic. Not only is it delicious, but garlic is a powerful anti-inflammatory agent that can help to reduce the swelling and damage associated with kidney disease. Try incorporating raw garlic into your meals or roast it up with some vegetables for a tasty side dish. Another great food for kidney health is berries. They're high in antioxidants, which help to fight inflammation and oxidative stress, both of which can contribute to kidney disease. Plus, they're a delicious and easy addition to smoothies, salads, and more. One of my personal favorite foods for kidney health is leafy greens. These include options like spinach, kale, and collard greens, and they're packed with nutrients like vitamin K, which can help to prevent calcification in the kidneys. Try sautéing them up with some garlic and olive oil for a delicious and nutritious side dish. So there you have it, some of the best foods for reversing kidney disease and promoting overall kidney health. Of course, it's important to remember that everyone's body is different, and you should always consult with your healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your diet or lifestyle. But by incorporating these delicious and nutrient-packed foods into your meals, you can take an important step towards improving your health and preventing kidney disease. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out the recipes and meal ideas in the description below.